Hello, today we will prepare fish cutlets. For that I am going to use fish. This is basa fish, and you can use any other fish. This is a fillet, so boneless, and so net weight of about 500 grams you can use. You can use canned fish, also tuna, but then be careful how much salt you use, because that canned ones will already have salt. So 1 kilo, half kilo of basa fish, and this is about potatoes. I boiled these potatoes. I'll be peeling them and mashing them, and this is green masala to be minced now. 1.5 small medium onion, 4 green chilies, about 1.5 inch ginger, coriander leaves. All these to be minced fine. And now this is salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and this is sugar, about half a teaspoon sugar, vinegar, about maybe 2 tablespoons of vinegar, breadcrumbs, bread to be dipped and squeezed and put in the mixture. And this is if you got stew powder, you use stew powder. If you don't have stew powder, then you can prepare one. This is pepper powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and this is cumin seed powder, jeera powder, half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. So make one and then add it to the mixture. So now I'm going to boil this fish first in little water, put little pepper and little salt, and then boil it and reserve the boiled water to dip the bread and squeeze out the water and then add it to the mixture. And if I mince all these 4 ingredients, the green masala, and I'll come back to you. Cut the fish into pieces and boiled it in little pepper powder, turmeric powder, and salt. This is a gravy which I'm going to use for the bread, the 3 slices of bread. I'll dip it, squeeze it, and put it in the mixture. Now I've also minced the onion, ginger, chilies, and coriander leaves. Now I've also got 1 egg. I forgot to tell earlier, 1 egg for the mixture. Now I'll broil it dry. And I also got the boiled potatoes mashed, which I'll be putting just with the fork, flake it, the fish, and then add it to the mixture. Just fry dry. Add the ginger and the chilies. And fry for some time. I'll dip the bread in this water, boiled water. Squeeze it completely. And add it to the mixture. All 3 slices. You can use the stock for something else if you want, or curry or something, fish curry if you're cooking. And this is nearly done. I'll add the coriander leaves. Mix well and put off and allow it to cool. Once it cools, add it to the same mixture, and then put the powders and the egg, and then salt, sugar, everything, and mix it well. I added the green masala, the broiled green masala. I'll mix it with this, and then I'll add the powders. garam masala, turmeric, pepper, and this is cumin seed powder, little sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and vinegar, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and egg. Now if it is little liquidy, then you add breadcrumbs. Mixed it. Now I need to form balls to make the cutlets. So still it's little liquidy, so I add little breadcrumbs. Mix well again. Check for salt and vinegar, and if you require you add. Yeah. Don't require salt or vinegar, is enough. Now what I'll do is I'll prepare small ball, and then I will form the cutlets with the breadcrumbs and then fry it, shallow fry it in little oil. I formed the balls now, and I got about 20. I'm going preparing the cutlets, forming the cutlets with the breadcrumbs. Now once you prepare everything, then you can shallow fry it in little oil, and that's it, fish cutlets. That's it. I've formed about 21 cutlets, and I'll be frying, shallow frying it. Now I'm frying them, shallow frying them. Put about one and a half tablespoon of oil, and I'll fry it on both sides. All done. Fish cutlets.